Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to replace the windshield wipers for a Ford F-150 between the years of 2010 and 2014. This is something that's ridiculously easy. You could literally do it in a parking lot with no tools. You should be doing this on your own, and the links to windshield wipers are down below in the description. Doing this yourself is going to save you tons of money, so let's go ahead and jump in. So the first thing we're going to do, and the driver's side is exactly the same as the passenger side, just a little harder to get to, is we're going to lift the arm up into a more workable position. So this is a fairly common style of windshield wiper arm. I believe it's called a J-hook. So we're going to orientate this up, and then there's going to be a little clip. You see that little guy right there? Just at the end of my fingertip. A little difficult to see. To press that down and then slide the wiper back towards you. Actually, mine's a little stuck. It's a little bugger. So we're going to press that with a screwdriver. Slide it back towards me. So you can see down in there the safety you're defeating. See that right there? Yeah, that guy. You're lifting that up, and that has been in this hole right here. So you gotta lift that up and slide back. It can be a little bit of a trick. All right, here's our new windshield wiper. It's 22 inches. I will leave a link down below in the description to it. And we can see that safety we defeated earlier on it. So we just need to lay it down in its position. And the cool part about this is it's really easy to get on. You just slide it like that. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Give it a couple jiggles, and that's it. And then we can just lower it down into position, and you're all done. And the passenger side is exactly the same. So that's how you change your windshield wipers out on that truck. It is ridiculously easy. It does not get easier than that. Don't pay somebody to do this for you. Do it yourself and save tons of cash. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has helped you at all, please consider giving it a like or subscribing. It really helps my channel out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.